Hi everyone, welcome to this course. We will be learning about software testing concepts. In this course we will be going through the manual testing and then automation testing thoroughly. Let's start with the basic concepts of manual testing. Manual testing is a type of software testing in which test cases are executed by a resource or employee or human to identify the bugs, issues and defects. It also identifies which part of the testing is more iterative and can be automated. It takes more efforts, but it is necessary as 100% automation is not possible for any application. It includes scripted test case execution, exploratory testing, and usability evaluation. Manual testing is valuable for its human-centric approach, but can be time-consuming. You are doing testing in your daily life tasks as well. Let's take an example from your daily life that you are making tea. Now, once the tea is ready, you will be tasting it, and if sugar is less, then you will be adding more to it. Which is test scenario that sugar can be less or more in the product. Similarly, another scenario is that if tea is strong, that means you use more quantity of dry tea, which again makes the tea bad. Let's have a look at types of manual testing. Now this part is very difficult to define, not to understand, as if you speak to 10 people, they all will give you at least one unique type of manual testing. So, it basically depends on the person to person and interviewer to interviewer. Mainly we have 6 types or approaches of manual testing. First we have black box testing. In this, no coding knowledge is required in this. It is an approach that defines the functional testing. Secondly, we have white box testing. In this we need full knowledge of the code and structure of the application, which is more based on the given input and test the output extraction from that code. This is more towards the security of the application. This comes under the structural testing approach. Next we have unit testing. This is a type of manual testing which is developer-oriented, and developer performs it on each component to test the working functionality of the same before delivering it to the QAs. As from the title itself, it is clear that testing of each unit built or developed. Next is integration testing. In this we need to test the group of the components that we built. We combine the unit's components and create groups. Then need to test whether the integration of one unit to another is functioning properly. If not, bugs should be reported. Fifth, we have system testing. The main goal of the system testing is to check the whole end-to-end flow of the application, not limited to within it, but with system OS, apps and other features as well. If I take a most common example, then let's say when you will be minimizing the app or any call comes in between when user is using the application. At last but not least, we have acceptance testing. Based on the requirement, we need to test the whole application with system requirements as well. How will it be different from the system testing then? In this we also includes client demos into it, user acceptance testing. First, QA will sign off over the QA environment, which will be the replica of the prod. Later on, it will test it by the client-side experts as well on the UIT environment. A testing resource will be aligned from the organization for assistance. That's all for this session. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.